All right, so we jump straight into action here, 145-pound weight class.
Now on the mats are one.
Third place state finalist last year is Gabby Bird. And he's taking on, from George Jenkins, Jacob Miloskowicz, who he's faced before, I believe. So Gabby gets 2 points. 30 seconds in the match, she's up 2-0. Gabby looking to go back to state.
Please report to mat number 2 from Bayside, Von Trail, Rutland, and from George Jenkins, Bryant Warman.
And everybody around here knows that Gabby's got a real solid chance of becoming the state champion this year. He's shown a lot of dedication. Didn't run cross country all season.
Number 1 for our championship match.
He didn't. I believe he competed in cross country, but he didn't. When it was time to wrestle, he went to wrestling. Put it that way.
Number 1, Edward from Lakeland and Pagan from Osceola.
So we got 1:07 to go. 2-1 on the scorecard. Last year it seemed like Gabby was a more tactical, conservative wrestler. This year he's been a lot more aggressive.
160 pounds.
Getting a lot more pins, it seems like, at least when I'm around. Really been the unquestioned vocal leader of the group this year. As the senior, one of the seniors. So not a lot of action there. 29 seconds to go in the first period. Gabby's got Matt Miloskowicz down. He got 2 points on the takedown. He's in an awkward position. So with 5 seconds to go, Gabby leads on the scorecard 4-1. And we'll head into the second period with that score. And I just found out today, actually, that Gabby has officially committed to Liberty, where he'll continue his wrestling career. I believe Liberty's in Virginia, if I'm not mistaken. So congratulations to him on that commitment. No question that he was going to continue his wrestling career, but just didn't know where yet. He had been hitting at Liberty for quite some time, if I'm not mistaken. So head out of bounds there. 1:54 still to go in the second period. Only 6 seconds underway. 4-1 on the scorecard for Gabby out of Osceola. He takes Miloskowicz to the mat, but I don't believe he'll get any points for it. Not controlled enough for the officials' liking. And they'll roll on out of bounds. 1:40 still to go in the second period. Got a 1-point escape from Miloskowicz. Miloskowicz hanging in there. So headed out of bounds with 1:09 to go. 4-2 on the scorecard in favor of Bird from Osceola. Gabby's trying to set up something here. He gets 2 points, so he's up 6-2 now. Coach is urging him to turn Milaskowicz, try to get some back points. 1 point escape now for Milaskowicz, so it's 6-3 on the scorecard. 28 seconds to go as we stop the clock to reset. Oh, double shot. That one's going to leave a mark. Gabby's trying to finish this thing off. He gets 2 points. Milaskowicz is staying feisty, though. Seven seconds to go in the second period. 8-3 on the scorecard in favor of Gabby Bird. And that's where we'll head. We'll head into the third period with that score. Still got one more wrestler from Osceola, and it's Chris Pagan, the freshman 189-pounder. He'll be going for his first ever district championship. Gabby's had his share of district championships before. This is just what he would consider a stepping stone on his path to a state title. And he gets a 1 point escape there. So he's up 9-3 on the scorecard now. And we'll head out of bounds with 1:47 to go in the third and final period. Got to give Milaskowicz a lot of credit, though. He's putting up a lot of fight. So got a premature start there from Milaskowicz. Minute 40 mark now. Gabby a little more conservative than he normally is. He shows his respect for his opponent. Trying to find an opening. So we'll head back to the minute 8 left to go in the match. Gabby's still on top, 9-3 for Osceola. Got a 2 point reversal for Milaskowicz, so it's 9-5 now with a minute to go. This one's going to be a little more exciting than maybe the experts had predicted. Gabby gets 2 points for the reversal, so he's up 11-5 now, 45 seconds to go. Looks like he's got control. Got a 1 point escape from Milaskowicz. And with 38 seconds to go, the 145-pound district championship comes down. .30 seconds now, 11-6 Bird. .21 seconds, 2 more points awarded for Gabby. 16 seconds now. So Milaskowicz gets a point, but with 5 seconds to go, Gabby goes for a shoot. Gets 2 more points and he'll win the match and the district. 15-7 will be the final. And congratulations to Gabby Bird on another district championship. And we'll see both competitors at regionals next week at Brandon High School.
Now come 9-pound bracket.